Hey guys, it's our first Wednesday of the school year working virtually, and so I just wanted to kind of remind you guys of what that looks like and talk through a little bit of what the assignment looks like for today. If you haven't seen the schedule yet or you're not sure, you're not aware of this, on Wednesdays it's mainly a work catch-up day and also a day where you can conference with teachers if need be. Tomorrow being the first Wednesday, it's really just going to be kind of a catch-up day, and I've also got one other assignment I'm going to push out to you just so you can kind of get used to one of the programs we're going to use. So normally on a Wednesday afternoon, after teachers have the time to plan in the mornings and you have the time to work, there'll be times where I'll be available for meetings and conferences and things like that. With tomorrow being really just the second day of school, won't really be doing anything formally that way, but you will have an activity to kind of work through and get through in terms of going through and doing some completion for tomorrow. So depending on the course that you're in, you'll kind of take a look at this week's activities and go in and see what you're looking for. So right now, as of right now, we kind of talked about this a little bit today. You really only see today's work, which or Tuesday's work 8-8. Tomorrow when you log in, you'll see 8-9, and so I'll let you see what that looks like here. So when you go into login tomorrow, you'll see 8-9-2020, our first work Wednesday. This getting to know you Desmos activity. When you click on the link for this folder, it's just going to take you to a direct link. It should say your hour, so if you're a second hour student, you should be able to see second hour here, getting to know you Desmos link. When you click on the link, it's actually going to take you to the Desmos activity, and you want to sign in with Google, so make sure that you're signing in with Google and use your Google account for that, and then your name will be there to begin. And so you can click go and it'll get started for you. When you go into this activity, you're going to be seeing different types of questions. And this is the Desmos program that we're going to use for a decent amount of our lessons, at least to start the year. So it's just good practice to kind of work through the program, but also answer some questions about yourself. So you'll see some like this one where it's talking about yourself, filling in the blank here. You'll also have some questions where you may need to write a little bit more out. So like here it says write about you. You might think about some things that you want to type out there. You might also have some questions where it says to draw. So it says create a sketch, and you've got different tools here that you can use to draw and go through and make and create things and stuff like that. You can also delete things and stuff like that. But it's just a program where you can answer questions, to do 1, 2, 3 here, those types of things. But it's just a good way, click and drag type question here, a good way to kind of work through this, answer some questions about yourself, but then also get used to using different types of features within this program. So I just wanted to make sure you guys were aware of how to log in and get set up with this. So remember again, this activity will be located here in the 8-9 folder. That's tomorrow's date, Wednesday, or today's date, I guess, if you're watching this. So this is just a way to look at and answer the questions with the Desmos. That's the activity for today. If you still need to get caught up from yesterday's activity, if you didn't get one of these questions done, the Flipgrid video or the post about it being a successful online learner, those are also there as well, because I know some of you guys didn't quite get all the way finished with that. Reach out if you have questions, but today's a work day, and that's what most Wednesdays are going to look like, and so I just wanted to give you kind of a heads up what it looks like and where to go to get things completed. Hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in class on Thursday.